Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. I'm making something from my prepper pantry. I'm making burritos tonight. So what I've got is a box of Spanish rice mix, refried beans, can of roast beef or shredded beef, and an optional, which I'm adding to it, is petite diced tomatoes. So I'm going to start this off. I'm going to start off with the Spanish rice. I'm going to start it in the crock pot here and let it go for about half an hour, and then I'll add the rest of the ingredients to it. So don't worry, I'm not going to make you watch it. So I will be back once I start adding the other ingredients to it. Alright, so in adding the liquid for the Spanish rice, it calls for 2 cups of water. Well, I substituted part of the water with the beef broth. Get over as you see it. Beef broth from there, and the juices from the diced tomatoes. So now I'm going to go ahead and toss everything in, and then I'm going to probably let it cook for slow cook for half an hour, maybe 45 minutes, just to make sure it's the way I want it. And I'll be testing it and maybe adding some more onion or garlic to it as it goes along. Alrighty, I'll be back in a few seconds with you. Yeah, I'm going to let this cook down a little bit more, because it should have absorbed all that water with the rice and seasoning pack that was in there. So it called for 2 cups of water, and so I'm just going to let it sit here and cook. Actually, I'm going to leave it on high probably for about a half an hour. Come back, check it out, and see how much it's thickened up. And then if I need to, I'll just add some minute rice to it. Alrighty, so I thickened it up with about, I guess it was about half a cup of rice. Instant rice, and then it was still a little soupy, so I added a half a cup of instant mashed potatoes to it, and that thickened it up pretty nice. I mean, this will work great for just taking it and plopping it in a tortilla and doing it. You can also you can do a lot of different things with it. I mean, you could even make a bean dip, add some more spicy peppers and stuff to it, and make a bean dip to it. Maybe add a little salsa, if you want to thin it back down a little bit. But yeah, I tried it out. I just took a bowl and laid a tortilla in the bowl and plopped it in there, and sprinkled a bunch of grated cheese on it. And once I was done with that, it was good to go. And I ate it, most of it with a spoon, and what was left up, I rolled the tortilla up and just ate it like a little burrito. So there you have it. Something to do with your food in your prepper pantry. Everything I used in here is shelf stable and can be used over years of time. So Alrighty, so remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, skills. Build your prepper pantry. Why? Well, this is why.